Hi, this is Mr. Allen, and I wanted to give you an update for week number 4. This week in Calc AB, we are looking at limits and infinity. So we'll be studying vertical asymptotes, the definition, and horizontal asymptotes. In Calculus BC, we will look at one of the very few new topics we'll discuss the early part of the first semester, and that is something called Newton's method. We'll do that on Friday. We also will have our first exam next week, and that's going to be on derivatives and differentiation. In geometry, we are looking at angle relationships, and we'll also start gearing up for our test for Chapter 1, which will also be next week. Some final thoughts. So Canvas is where I try to structure my classes, and I try to get several weeks done in advance. So right up here, I've got a screenshot, a little snip, if you will, of the Canvas page, the Canvas module for last week. I picked last week's module. And the point of me showing you this is, first of all, to mention that you as a parent can follow your child's Canvas classes. And most teachers do like I do, where you kind of keep an idea of what's going on in the class. And I'm posting this as well to show you, there's a lot of details that go into this, right? So I've got an overview of the week. I've got a homework assignment there and explain when that's due. There's a copy of the notes for each section that we cover, which is typically only two per week, and even a video for each of the sections that we cover. And then at the bottom there, you can see there's a weekly quiz in addition to the 2 homework quizzes. In calculus, here's a screenshot of the calculus one. It's similar. So again, I've got a weekly overview. Again, this is from last week. We covered 2 lessons there. Looks like there's a homework assignment, and it includes when the due date is. There's the notes, and there's a video for each of them. And then it mentions that it looks like there was a quiz this Monday, which there it was, and I graded those and passed those back. So please keep in mind that performance tasks versus practice tasks are weighted differently, and that ratio in the math department is 20-80. So 20% of the grade for a student is for practice type activities, and then 80% is in performance. That's all I've got. Thanks for your attention.